welcome back to yet another unboxing video. I love doing these videos for y'all, by the way, because I just get to explore new things. So if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, with my unboxing series, I basically buy it so you don't have to. I'm basically out here on the hunt for all of my beginners to find the best, cheap, affordable nail products out there that's great to practice with and get you started. With that being said, let's go ahead and start off with a notification shout out video. Here are my 3 people that were the first 3 people to comment on my last video, so I want to give you guys a shout out. I love you guys. Thank you for having your post notifications turned on, and if you would like a shout out like these 3 lovely people, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed and make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you can get a shout out in my very next video. So guys, as you can see, I have a lovely package here. We got this from Amazon. I already opened it, by the way, because I was a little thirsty, but the company is called Savalan. They are a seller on Amazon, and this is a acrylic powder nail kit. I like to smell for monomer. Yes, I'm that person. I don't smell monomer. I bet you these nails are so sharp I can just open it with these nails. Are they? They are. Oh my gosh, are you serious? No, I'm scared. I'm gonna pop it now. I'm doing it. Get the scissors. Never mind. Let's open this up. It's a very small kit. Oh, we have different colors, and it doesn't come with monomer. See, I know this nose no one can smell some monomer. Well, really anybody's nose can smell monomer, because let's be real, monomer is strong as all get out. Like, why did I even think there was monomer in here? It clearly says acrylic powder nail kit. Yeah, we have different color acrylics, so let's just go ahead and show y'all. Y'all, them nails had to come off. I couldn't function, so be right back after I sew these bad boys off. All right, so we have fresh fingers. Now we can get started, because I think I want to do a set on myself, but I'm not sure yet. But let's go ahead and unbox these acrylic powders. So this is a little closer look of what the box looks like. It's a nice little box, very small though, so you know the powders are going to be miniature. So here we're just gonna, oh shoot, and look at these pretty powders. So these are all acrylic powders. Here we have orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, got some red, and then I want to say this is like a light brown or maybe a white. I don't know, but that's what swatches are for. So let's go ahead and get into some swatches. Honestly, for the price, you get all of these different colors to work with and to practice with. I'm really not mad with this. I don't have a lot of bright, vibrant colors, so this set should be interesting. Y'all, had to come in the bathroom to see if these really glow in the dark, and they do. I forgot to mention it in the beginning of the video, but yeah, these definitely are glow in the dark acrylic powders. So I'm real hyped now to try these out. Okay, so I have my brush here. I'm using Mia Secret monomer. So before we get started, I really want to recommend you use gloves when you're dealing with monomer. I forgot to get gloves. I was just at the grocery store like yesterday and I forgot to get some gloves, so I'm working without gloves. I do not recommend this because it can be harmful to your skin, the monomer. As you can see, if you can see right there, I have like some of my skin like peeling up, and I believe that's from direct contact with monomer. So just want to like leave that out there. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm definitely going to be getting some gloves after this video, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video done. That's no excuse though, but still, y'all know what I mean. Just do better than me, basically. So I'm going to start with the purple here. Ooh, some acrylic companies, like, they have like fun names for their acrylic. This one just have like the actual color, so let's give them fun names. That's a true dark purple. It's giving grape juice, so let's call it grape juice. so this one is called Rose Red. Let's see. Ooh, that's really bright. Look at that. I'm definitely not getting a rose feel with this though. So let's call her, we're gonna call her Miss Piggy. She's giving Piggy, okay? We're gonna call her the Sahara because it's giving desert. I got a feeling this is gonna be a dark blue. Not that dark, but this is nice though. We're gonna call that one Icicle. Ooh, that's nice. The first thing that came to mind is Garfield, so I'm gonna stick with that. Garfield, that's the name. If you know, you know. Okay, this is the Coral Reef. I might have to stick with that one. Ooh, that one's yummy. We're gonna keep Coral Reef for that one. This looks like a bright neon yellow. I'm gonna go with Sunshine for this one. I'm really eager to see this one. This one is called Jade Green. I love the color inside of the jar, but let's see. Ooh. I like that one. We're gonna call this one Forest Treasure. Okay, last two, guys. We're gonna call this one Cherry Lipstick. All right, last one. They said this is a grass green. Let's see. Y'all know that little Mask movie? That's the first thing that I think of when I look at this color. But I think we're gonna stick with green grass. Okay, so these are all of our colors, and one of the things that I did realize with the acrylic powders, some of the lighter pigmented acrylics are like a little marbly. So like with this orange color and the yellow was good. I think this was definitely marbly, but the darker colors act well. So yeah, let's just jump right into this nail set though. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with so many different colors to choose from. Okay, so I'm thinking ombre. I love this pink, this orange, and this yellow. And I think I want to do an ombre set with these colors and make it like kind of a sunset a little bit. So let's play with these colors and see how it turns out. So I had to switch over to Young Nails monomer because I ran out of my new secret. There's no more. I already filed my nails. We got some C-curves. I didn't really prep for this nail set because I mean I want them to come off easily after this video, so I kind of just popped these little tips on. While doing this set, what we're gonna look at is the consistency of the acrylic. Is it good? Is it not? We're gonna test it out and see, but first I gotta dust these nails off and then we can get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this pink color here. Take my brush and then we're just gonna go in there. I'm gonna start right here and kind of point my nail down so it can fall downward. You know what? I'm gonna flush it up. And ooh, whoop, whoop, whoop. Ooh, this is kind of runny. All right, so let's go in with this orange. I'm gonna go get a decent sized bead. I'm gonna start right here at the smile line and kind of push it up a little bit. And then what I do is just take it and like just drag it on down. And you see that perfect blend. Oh my gosh. This beat was a little better, I might say. It's still a little runny though. Look at that. Let me just blend it in. But regardless, look how gorgeous that blend is. All right, so I'm just gonna take just like a little bit of the orange and go up here just a tad bit more with the orange. And you can see it's like marbling a little bit, but it kind of levels out once you know, once you start laying it. Yeah, it's runny, guys. Let's go here at the top and just like drag it on down. And we're gonna need some more. Y'all see it coming together. Now for the cuticle bead, y'all know I do not like to go big around the cuticle. We like to stay sort of small. So I'm gonna take this small bead, very small bead, and put it right before the cuticle and then push up into the cuticle and just kind of let it level out on its own. And then we're gonna just blend that yellow right on down. And this is how it looks. That neon is pretty bright. I'm gonna like blend it out like right here. It's always hard to fix an ombre once you already laid the acrylic, but that's about good enough for me. Like, I would really have to say I'm really worried about how this would translate, and not really translate, but resonate with my beginners, because the way the product is like running is not as easy to work with as some acrylics are. So I mean, the acrylic is definitely like workable, like you can work with it, but is it good for beginners? I don't know. Me personally, I have been working with acrylic for about, I want to say 2 years now, so I'm familiar with it. So it won't be as hard for me as it would be someone who really isn't familiar with acrylic. But I never really had the chance to work with glow in the dark acrylics before now, so I'm not really sure if they're supposed to be running. But I can tell you one thing, these colors are bomb. I feel like that's really messy. Get it right at that cuticle, right before the cuticle. Press up in the corners and then blend it on down. This one looks a little better. All right, now let's see if the runniness was just my room temperature or is it actually the acrylic. I'm gonna cap it off with some Mia Secret to see if this is runny too. And it's not. This is still regular and normal. So yep guys, it's official. This is a runny acrylic. It don't look half bad, y'all. This looks pretty good. But y'all, this is before filing. And there you have it. They look so good. And look at the back of them. That's how you know when I put the top coat on here, these are gonna look so bomb. So this is the finished product of the Saviland Glow in the Dark acrylic nails. And if I do say so myself, they look nice. So just a little recap on my honest review. So the consistency was very, very runny. And that's really the only issue that I had with these. I'm not sure if it was because these are glow in the dark or not, because I've never worked with glow in the dark acrylics before. But the ombre still came out really, really good. The colors came out so vibrant, not marbly, and y'all wait till I cut off the lights. Look, boom, glow in the dark. I believe all of the colors that came in the kit are glow in the dark, so we had a lot of glow in the dark colors to choose from. But y'all, this has been my honest review on Savalands acrylic powders. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Be sure to check out my other unboxings until I post again next week, and I will see you guys in my very next video.